weeks, the injury rate would be lower. That's certainly possible, but the study could also be right. Perhaps the greatest risk of injury in CrossFit is during the first few weeks for novices, when they're relatively untrained and unadapted to the demands of the workout. That seems plausible to me, perhaps making the case that regulation should be involved for the first few months of CrossFit participation in untrained individuals, so they can use things like RPE, time, load, or rep caps on workouts, and focus on progress rather than optimal fitness during the workout.
Input, so for DC, I wish it also specifically said the AC power output of the solar portion, but I'm assuming it's at 11.5 kilowatts based on the first stage, as well as the continuous discharge of the battery. Now, why is this even important? Well, it does sound great, up to 20 kilowatts worth of solar DC to
Typically use a chip to improve noise floor and make footsteps stand out louder than they are. That's why they work as well as they do. So it's a solid option. Now, if you go into audiophile stuff, this surprised me because frequency response wise, you wouldn't think this would be as good for FPS gaming, but the new MM100 from Bodybuilding is it's an open back. The sound quality is phenomenal.
Which at the time was the best wireless gaming headset you can buy because it packed good sound quality, features, reliability, comfort, lots of stuff. It's still a great headset now. So the point of this review is to summarize months of work in testing and using these, some of them obviously longer than others, and hopefully help you decide if you if you should upgrade or not. Now there's a chance you have one of
For the
these.
close back and for gaming, this is a massive, massive advantage. Now I tested this headset on a lot of different devices and sources, ranging from my phone, my laptop's built-in sound card. I used higher end and entry-level stuff on the PC side from $100 to about $1,300 using my Denafrips R2R DAC and a THX amp. And then on the console side, I use this on PS5 and Xbox Series S controllers, several of them just to make sure there aren't any weird things going on. And yeah, so it's a very versatile headset because they designed it to be very efficient for gaming. You can plug this in with anything and you don't have to buy an expensive amplifier to benefit from it. Now, before I get into audio quality, sound quality, my perception of this, I just want to start
Magnetic drivers, look at those plates. These are magnets, and the actual driver is underneath it. So it's a very different design. It looks different, it sounds different. I'll get into that in a sec. But pretty cool technology, and it's kind of interesting to see just how unique and different this approach is for sound and gear cup design. And naturally, I measured all of these headsets along with everything else I own, and I wanted to show you that chart. So as you can see,